Have you ever been anywhere where there's no Wi-Fi connection, or maybe your internet connection has just gone down at home? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone as a mobile hotspot to give you internet access no matter where you are. Let's jump on the phone and take a look. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my mobile phone up on the screen. So let's do that straight away so you can see everything that I am doing. So the first thing you want to do is drag down from the top of your screen. So you pull down this menu and then we want to click on the cog. The next thing you want to do is actually go into your connection settings here. Now in that connection settings, you're going to be looking for something that says mobile hotspot and tethering. Now it might be named something completely different on your mobile phone, so it could be called mobile hotspotting, mobile tethering, or something along that lines, but it will be something to do with hotspotting or tethering. So we're going to go into that and we're going to now click on the mobile hotspot. When we go into that mobile hotspot settings, you can see here that we've got a few things that we can do. We can obviously turn it on and off. We can set up a network name, password, and so forth. So let's click on network name. You're going to give your hotspot a name. Make it obviously obvious to you, but not obvious to anybody else. So what I've done here is I've used YT hotspot. So it's my YouTube hotspot for the purpose of this video. Now the next thing you want to do is put a very strong secure password. Always use a strong password because obviously it will make it nice and secure. So at the moment, for the sake of this video, I've gone YouTube 29 and a hash. Now what you want to do is, if you look at the actual further down on settings, it also talks about the band. Now the band is relevant to the device that will be connecting to your mobile hotspot. So most devices will work on 2.4 gigahertz. Other devices will also work on the 5 gigahertz range, as you can see here. I'm going to leave it on 2.4 because most things run on 2.4. You might find that some Apple devices, like an iPad, will connect better on a 5 gigahertz range. I would personally leave it on 2.4. Next thing you want to do is look at that security setting. So as you can see in that security setting there, it states it's WPA2/WPA3. Now that's a choice of either WPA2 level security or WPA3 security settings. So WPA3 security settings is obviously stronger than the WPA2. I'm giving it a choice between the two because, again, the device that you're connected to may not be compatible with WPA3. So WPA2, WPA3 security settings on there. And that's the encryption that you're going to be using in connecting your device to your mobile phone. So I'm going to leave it on that. I'm going to go ahead and click on save now. And that's my mobile hotspot set up. So that's the first thing you need to do to get it set up. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to look at how you then connect your device to this mobile hotspot. So let's go and grab a laptop and get started with that. So before we get started showing you how to connect your device to your mobile phone, let me show you how to turn on that mobile tethering feature. So if we jump back on my mobile phone, we can see that if we pull down with those two fingers from the top, we will bring up that menu. Now this time, because we've already set up that mobile hotspot, all we need to do is to click on that mobile hotspot option you can see on your screen right there. Now by turning that on, it will turn off things like Wi-Fi on your mobile phone and so forth, but it will then allow your mobile signal to be the tool that connects to the internet and therefore not your Wi-Fi, if that makes sense. Now that my mobile hotspot's been turned on, let's jump on my laptop and show you how to connect to it. So we need to go down to where our Wi-Fi connections are on this network connection here, and we're going to be looking for that Wi-Fi hotspot, and there it is. So I click on that, and then we click on connect. We need to now put in that password. And click on next. It should now go off, check that connection, and hopefully connect to it. So there you go, I've just connected to my mobile phone hotspot with my laptop. So I can now go on my laptop and go on the internet, and I'm using my mobile phone's data connection in order for me to make that connection onto the internet. And it works great. So I am now tethered to my mobile device and using my mobile device data connection for my internet connection. Now, this is really useful because at the moment in time, what we're doing here is using my mobile phone as an internet connection. So I can pick my laptop up and my mobile phone and now go pretty much anywhere in my office, around my house, in my garden, in the field. So, let's look at that as an opportunity for a second, because if you were a business user and you were working out in the field, as I call it, and that means you could pretty much be working in the field. You could be completely, without no Wi-Fi connection, but still be able to operate. It also means that if you're a home user and your broadband internet connection goes down, you now have a secondary method of connecting yourself to the internet and keeping yourself connected. So hopefully you found this really useful. So have you tried setting up mobile tethering on your mobile phone? Please let us know in the comments below. So my name's Rob from RLS Computer Services. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.